So coming back to retargeting, this is the second type of audience, retargeting. Now let's say if somebody watches your ad, somebody clicked on your ad. Okay, you gave a ad, it was shown to 1 lakh people. Let's say out of those 1 lakh people, let's say 10,000 of them clicked on your ad, maybe commented, liked, shared, or clicked, tried to watch your ad. If it was a video ad, they watched your video ad. Now you know that okay, 10,000 people, 1 lakh people saw my ad, but these 10,000 people might be your potential customers because they stopped on your ad and started reading it or clicked it, whatever they did. So now what you can do is instead of showing next ad again to those 90,000 people who didn't like your ad, there's something called retargeting. You can create another campaign specifically for retargeting and choose the audience as people who have engaged with your ad. People, those 10,000 people who have engaged your ad. What are the benefits? That now you can tap same good audience who are most potential customers. You can tap those audience again and again. And with that, you are creating a brand recall, more chances of conversion, and ultimately the cost will be cheaper because they are the ones who are likely to convert, likely to turn into a client, right? So how you can do that in Facebook? Using a tool called custom audience. In Facebook only that option is there. It's called custom audience. I'm showing you, then we'll discuss practically. I'll show you practically. First is people who engaged with your social media. Like for example, somebody is your fan. You already have a business page. People who are liking your ad, people have who have visited your page. So there's an option you can target those kind of people. Then if you are running a conversion ad or a traffic ad where you're sending people to your website, then you can create an audience of people who have visited your website. And there are a lot many options here. People who visited your website, people who visited a specific page on your website. Let's say there are 10, 20, 100 pages on your website, but there's one particular page where you have mentioned about how to lose weight within 30 days. So then if somebody have visited that page, like from anywhere, maybe from Google, from YouTube, but if somebody has visited one particular page where you have an article on how to lose weight within 30 days, so you know that if people are coming to that page, that means people are interested in how to lose weight within 30 days concept. Then what you can do, create a product around that, or most probably you will already have a product around weight loss, so you can show your ads to only those people. It will be more targeted instead of showing your ads to random people.